Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 gaming cabinets that you can buy in 2023. These are the best cases for building a powerful and quiet gaming PC that will blow your mind. Let's get started. Number 5. Cooler Master Silencio S600. The Cooler Master Silencio S600 is a mid-tower case that is designed for silence and style. It has a sleek and minimalist design with sound-dampening material on the front, top, and side panels. It also has a reversible steel door that can be opened from either side for easy access. The Silencio S600 comes in two variants, one with a solid steel panel and one with a tempered glass panel. The tempered glass panel allows you to show off your components while still reducing the noise level. The Silencio S600 has a spacious interior that can fit up to an ATX motherboard, a 360mm radiator, and for 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch drives. It also has a removable PSU shroud that hides the cables and improves the airflow. The case comes with two 120mm Silencio FP fans that are optimized for low noise and high performance. You can also add up to 4 more fans or install liquid cooling systems for better cooling. The Silencio S600 has some other features that make it a great choice for gamers. It has a built-in card reader that supports SD and microSD cards. It has a top ventilation cover that can be removed or replaced with a magnetic dust filter. It has a tool-free design that makes it easy to install or upgrade your components, and it has a clean and elegant look that will suit any gaming setup. The Cooler Master Silencio S600 is available with a steel panel and with the tempered glass panel 1. It is more expensive than some other cases, but it offers more silent operation and a premium quality. It has received positive reviews from experts and users who praised its design, features, and performance if you are looking for a case that can deliver both silence and style. The Cooler Master Silencio S600 is a good option for you. For more information and to make a purchase, simply follow the link provided below. Number 4, we have NZXT H710i. The NZXT H710i is a mini ITX case that is designed for compact and powerful gaming PCs. It has a unique and elegant design with a tempered glass front panel that lets you showcase your hardware. It also has a vertical orientation that saves space and improves airflow. The NZXT H710i comes with a 750W SFX power supply and a 140mm IO liquid cooler that are pre-installed and pre-routed for easy building. You don't have to worry about compatibility or cable management with this case. The NZXT H710i has a spacious interior that can fit up to a 12.7-inch GPU, a mini ITX motherboard, and to 2.5-inch drives. It also has a new PCIe riser cable that is safer and more reliable than the previous version that caused a fire hazard. 12. The case has two USB 3.2 Gen to Type A ports, one USB Type-C port, and a 5mm audio jack on the front I/O panel. It also has a reset switch and a power button that are hidden behind a magnetic cover. The NZXT H710i has some other features that make it a great choice for gamers. It has a steel construction that is sturdy and durable. It has a removable dust filter that keeps the system clean. It has a tool-free design that makes it easy to access or upgrade your components. And it has a quiet operation that won't disturb your gaming experience. The NZXT H710i is available in black or white colors 3. It is more expensive than some other cases, but it offers more convenience and performance. It has received positive reviews from experts and users who praised its design, functionality, and cooling if you are looking for a case that can deliver both compactness and power. The NZXT H710i is a good option for you. Find the link in the description below. Look at the Corsair Carbide H710i, a mid-tower case with a minimalist design and a tempered glass side panel. Let's see what this case has to offer and how it performs. The Corsair Carbide H710i is a compact and simple case that measures 455 by 225 by 460mm and weighs 16 pounds. It comes in black or white and has a brushed aluminum front panel with two USB 3.0 ports, headphone and microphone jacks, and a power button. The front panel also has a removable nylon mesh filter that covers 3 120mm or to 140mm fan mounts. The top panel has a magnetic metal mesh filter that covers to 120mm or 140mm fan mounts. The rear panel has a 120mm fan mount with an included fan, and 7 expansion slots plus 2 vertical slots for GPU mounting. The tinted glass side panel is secured with Allen head screws and rubber-coated locating pins. The interior of the case is painted black and has a builder-friendly layout. It supports mini ITX, micro ATX, and ATX motherboards, and has plenty of cutouts and tie-down points for cable management. The case can fit CPU coolers up to 170mm in height, GPS up to 370mm in length, and PSS up to 180mm in length. The case also has two internal 2.5, 3.5-inch drive bays and for internal 2.5-inch drive bays, all of which are tool-less and easy to install. The Corsair Carbide H710i is not only sleek and simple, but also versatile and functional. It has phenomenal water cooling support, as it can fit up to a 360mm radiator in the front, a 240mm radiator in the top, and a 120mm radiator in the rear. It also has decent acoustic performance, as it dampens most of the noise from the fans and components. However, the case does have some drawbacks, such as its thermal performance, which is not very impressive compared to other cases in this price range. The case could benefit from another intake fan or a lower price tag to make it a better value. Overall, the Corsair Carbide H710i is a good choice for anyone looking for a no-frills chassis with a glass side panel and great water cooling support. It has a clean and minimalist design that will suit any build, and an effortless build process that will make your life easier. The NZXT H710i, a mid-tower case with a sleek design, a smart fan and RGB controller, and a tempered glass side panel. Let's check it out and see if it's worth your money. The NZXT H710i is a successor to the popular H710i case, and it shares many of the same features and aesthetics. It measures 20.3 x 9.1 x 19.4 inches and weighs 27.11 pounds. It comes in various color combinations such as white and black, or black and red. It has a minimalist front panel with a single USB 3.1 Gen to Type-C port, the USB 3.2 to Gen 1 type of ports, and an audio mic jack. The front panel also has a removable dust filter that covers three 120mm or to 140mm fan mounts. The top panel has another dust filter that covers to 120mm or 140mm fan mounts. The rear panel has a 120mm fan mount with an included fan, and 7 expansion slots plus 2 vertical slots for GPU mounting. The left side panel is made of tinted glass and is secured with thumb screws. The interior of the case is painted black and has a spacious and user-friendly layout. It supports ATX up to 270mm, ATX, micro ATX, and ITX motherboards, and has plenty of cutouts and Velcro straps for cable management. The case can fit CPU coolers up to 185mm in height, GPS up to 413mm in length, and PSS up to 220mm in length. The case also has two internal 3.5-inch drive bays and for internal 2.5-inch drive bays, all of which are tool-less and easy to access. The NZXT H710i is not only stylish and simple, but also smart and functional. It comes with an integrated fan and RGB controller called the Smart Device V2, which can control up to 4 RGB LED strips and 3 fan channels with up to 4 fans each. The controller can also adjust the fan speeds and lighting effects based on the temperature and noise levels inside the case using an inbuilt microphone. You can customize the settings using the NZXT CAM software on your PC or mobile device. The NZXT H710i also has excellent water cooling support, as it can fit up to a 360mm radiator in the front, a 280mm radiator in the top, and a 120mm radiator in the rear. It also has decent airflow performance, thanks to the large gaps on either side of the front panel and the included fans. However, the case does have some drawbacks, such as its high price tag, its lack of extra ports on the front panel, and its potential CPU cooling issues due to the limited space between the top panel and the motherboard tray. Overall, the NZXT H710i is a great choice for anyone looking for a premium mid-tower case with a clean design, a smart controller, and a glass side panel. It has a high-quality build and finish that will suit any build, and an easy build process that will make your life easier. Click the link in the description to discover anything you need. The Corsair Obsidian 1000D is a super tower case that can house 2 systems in one chassis. It is designed for enthusiasts who want to build the ultimate PC with extreme cooling and performance. Here are some reasons why the Corsair Obsidian 1000D is the #1 spot for PC cases. It has a sleek and elegant design with fur-tempered glass panels that showcase your hardware, and RGB lighting. The front panel has a single USB 3.1 Gen to Type-C port, to USB 3.2 Gen 1 type of ports, and an audio mic jack. The front and top panels also have removable dust filters that cover multiple fan mounts. It can fit up to 2 motherboards, one EATX and one ITX, with 2 power supplies and plenty of expansion slots. You can use one system for gaming and the other for streaming, or run different operating systems without dual booting. You can also switch between the systems with a push of a button on the front panel. It has an integrated fan and RGB controller called the Smart Device V2, which can control up to 4 RGB LED strips and 3 fan channels with up to 4 fans each. The controller can also adjust the fan speeds and lighting effects based on the temperature and noise levels inside the case using an inbuilt microphone. You can customize the settings using the NZXT H710i software on your PC or mobile device. It has phenomenal water cooling support, as it can fit up to 4 massive 480mm liquid cooling radiators or up to 18 fans. You can cool both your systems with ease and achieve optimal performance and stability. You can also mount your GPS vertically for better airflow and aesthetics. It has a spacious and user-friendly interior with plenty of cutouts, Velcro straps, and tool-less drive bays for cable management and installation. It can fit CPU coolers up to 185mm in height, GPS up to 413mm in length, and PSS up to 220mm in length. It also has 2 internal 3.5-inch drive bays and for internal 2.5-inch drive bays for storage. The Corsair Obsidian 1000D is not for everyone, as it is very expensive, heavy, and large. However, if you are looking for a premium case that can accommodate to systems with extreme cooling and performance, then the Corsair Obsidian 1000D is the best choice for you. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my future videos.